In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Telegram wallet step by step. We'll walk through the process together, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Whether you're new to this or just looking to follow along to avoid any missteps, this guide will ensure you set up your wallet correctly. First things first, make sure you have your Telegram app opened up and ready to go. Once you're in, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll want to type in wallet and look for the official Telegram wallet bot. It should be the one with a blue checkmark right next to its name. This checkmark is crucial as it verifies you're interacting with the official bot, ensuring your information remains secure. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the bot. When the chat opens up, you'll see a prompt asking you to continue. Click on Continue to move forward in the process. This will bring you to the next step, where you'll need to select Add Your Information. Here, you'll be asked to choose your country of residence. Go through the options and select the one that applies to you. This information is important as it determines what forms of ID you can use for verification purposes. Speaking of which, before moving forward, now's a good time to gather the necessary documents for this process. You'll typically have a few options to choose from when providing verification. These include your passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure your chosen document is valid and up to date. With your document in hand, you'll need to upload a clear photo or scan of it. Take care to ensure that all the details are clear and legible. The better the quality of the image, the smoother the verification process will go. And if the bot requests it, you may also need to take a selfie. This step is designed to match your face with the ID you provided, adding an extra layer of security and ensuring it's really you setting up the account. After you've uploaded your document and taken a selfie if necessary, it's time to submit everything. Once you hit submit, it's just a matter of playing the waiting game. Verification times can vary, with some users being approved within a few minutes. However, in other cases, it may take a few hours. Patience is key here, and that's all there is to it. Once your identity has been verified, you're all set up and ready to use your Telegram wallet. I hope this video has made the process a little easier for you. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy exploring in the world of digital wallets.